Good afternoon, and welcome to week 14, which is special events and the event planning process. And so I have on the screen one of my favorite kind of graphics to visualize what we're talking about here in the event planning process. And you can think about an event as personal as, maybe you're going to celebrate your birthday or plan your wedding, but it also could, the same features could also be used to be able to plan a number of events. And so in this particular week, we're focusing on some of those bigger special events. It could be the halftime show at a Super Bowl. It could be a street festival in the city in which you live. And so with all of those things, what they have in common is the event planning process. So starting with researching what you hope to accomplish with the event that you're planning, and then designing, that's kind of the brainstorming phase. For a lot of creative types, that's their favorite part, is kind of the what if. And then it gets to planning, and then coordination and day of, and then evaluation. Was it successful? Sometimes this can be, if it's a birthday party, did everyone have fun? If it's a fundraiser for a charity, how much money did we raise? So really, the sky's the limit when it comes to thinking about event planning. Which leads me to the event assignment, the special events assignment, in which you get to plan an event by thinking about those topics that we just talked about, the research, design, planning, and coordination phase, as well as evaluation. And you could actually really get into this activity by doing the research, design, and planning phases, and then just think about how you would coordinate and how you would evaluate. And it can be anything that you want. It could be a corporate event, an association event, a charity ball or fundraiser, a social event, right? Birthday, wedding, anniversary, a fair or festival, a concert or sporting event, or really a mega sporting event, right? Olympics, World Cup, Super Bowl, halftime show, things like that. And I would encourage you to think about something that maybe you're interested in for this assignment, just because that will make it more fun. The other assignments that we are going to be focusing on that are on the list for this particular week is going to be future items that we'll be thinking about. So the first one of which is a leadership assignment. And this is a group assignment, and I have arranged your groups. So if you go to the People tab, you'll be able to see your groups there. I'll also put a note in this particular assignment so that you can see who the groups are, and that'll be exciting for you to work on. That is going to be due on December 11th, and then December 16th, kind of end of the semester wrap up, is going to be this hospitality portfolio. So I've included them as topics for this particular week so that you can start thinking about them, particularly because the leadership activity is a group activity, so it might take some time for coordination. And so just as a refresh and reminder, I did post the quiz for chapters 10 through 12 a little bit early, so you will have another week to be able to complete that, as well as the special event assignment, which is due this week since that's our topic for the week, and then future forward, the leadership assignment and the hospitality portfolio. So still a few more weeks left in the semester. It is going super fast, and I've enjoyed all of the submissions that you've provided me so far, and your enthusiasm for hospitality. So I wish you a great week ahead, a great Thanksgiving with your family. You could use the special event assignment for your Thanksgiving meal that you're planning. And I look forward to hearing any questions that you have and seeing your submissions. Thanks, and have a great day.